Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I just wanted to make a real quick update for y'all. Been working on the Nova, trying to devise a really good, efficient, nice, clean way to mount the seats in this thing. Also, I've been trying to figure out how I can kind of set the seat up temporarily for the owner of the car to come in and kind of try out different positions and angles. Right now, I've got this thing sitting on some blocks of wood. And I actually have this piece of conduit behind here. I can replace this with a 2x4 and some other stuff just to get that angle and distance just right. Got the column in here, but everything's looking pretty cool with the floor mocked up. All this stuff is loose right now, but you can see how the tubing and all that is going to fit. I got a gear vendors mocked up here and everything. This is another thing I've been working on is these tubes, which kind of join with the center floor X here, and then a couple more that go back to the number 1 bar. The seat bracketry is going to tie into that. And then the lap belt that's going to come through here is going to attach to a tab that is on either side on these bars going to the number 1 rear main bar there. So that's just kind of what I've been working on. Just wanted to update y'all. It's been a while, and also been looking at things for the Cutlass as well. I've been thinking about wiring projects and stuff I'm gonna do on it. All right, over here at the Cutlass, and yeah, I've just been thinking about how I want to wire my inputs and outputs on the Holley harness. This is just kind of the lead for that. I want to put a PDM power distribution module with relays and fuses kind of in this area, and obviously it's going to have a bunch of wiring going to it and from it and all that, so that might be something coming up really soon in a video on the Cutlass. I might even put that up before the stuff on the Nova. I'm not sure yet. I'll just have to see kind of how that timeline goes. But I've got most of this stuff figured out for the mounting the seats in the Nova, and I'll show you all that in detail when I do that video. But meanwhile, just wanted to update you and just stay in the loop. I know it's been over a week. Hopefully this video will be coming up maybe next weekend. But otherwise, hope all y'all had a great Easter, all y'all that celebrate, and also hope you're having a safe and fun spring break, or if maybe your family, kids, whoever's still in school, hope y'all are enjoying that. Another thing I've been working on, have them sitting on the saw here. I'm not going to cut them in half, but I've been working on some vegetables. Just a little starter tray here. These are okra, and they grow really fast, just from prior experience. But I've also got some watermelon coming up. I just planted a whole bunch of stuff, so we might check that out in the days to come. But I was pretty amazed. I planted these like 5 or 6 days ago, and they're already starting to poke up. So that's pretty cool. And these are already touching the clear lid, so I might pull this section out and just kind of put it out on its own. But stuff's looking really good, and can't wait to hopefully have a little harvest this summer. Maybe that'd be neat. But once again, plenty of stuff to do on the Nova and the Cutlass over there, so hopefully I'll have a video up real soon that's cool and interesting. Until then, y'all take care, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in.